Hello dear students, hope you all are well. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Unit 3, Section B, The Stolen Bacillus. So you all can understand by the name of the chapter, Stolen Bacillus. Stolen is the third form of the steal. Stolen means to take something from a person, shop, anything without permission or without tending to return it. Okay, or bacillus, it's a kind of bacteria basically, which is road shaped, which is like a road. Like you all have seen corona nowadays. Corona is seems like a ball with the finger like projections. Okay, so bacillus again, it's a bacteria, same like cholera. So basically this chapter having two main character in this story. One is anarchist, like this, and the other one is bacteriologist, or we can say scientist. We said that anarchist is a deceitful person. He uses deception to gain access to the laboratory, for example by forging a letter of introduction. Or anarchist is also very proud of himself and his achievement. So let's understand the chapter. You all have to listen to me very carefully. Stolen Bacillus by H.G. Wells. H.G. Wells is the writer or author of this chapter or this story. As Herbert George Wells is a British writer and social reformer. He is a prolific writer of science fiction novels, books on history, politics, and social commentary. The Stolen Bacillus is a famous short story published in 1895. Let's start our chapter. The bacteriologist has a visitor to his laboratory, a pale stranger who arrives with a letter of introduction from a good friend of the scientist. So what happened in this chapter? The bacteriologist is the person who study and cultivation of bacteria, and with their applications in medicine. That person is called bacteriologist, or we can say scientist. So basically in this chapter the bacteriologist has a visitor. Who was the visitor? Anarchist. That anarchist is the visitor to his lab. He was pale. He looked pale, or we can say a pale face man, completely stranger for him, but he brings a letter, or we can say forged letter, forged or fake letter from others introduction. Okay, so he allow him to enter in the laboratory. Who allow? Bacteriologist allow him, the visitor, to enter in the laboratory cause he having a forged letter from his good friend. Then what happened? The scientist shows his visitor the cholera bacillus under a microscope, and they talked about the disease. Then he trust on him, and he even not even trust, he tell everything about the bacteria to him, to the visitor, about cholera bacillus, and he tell him to keep in under the microscope and sees, and they talked about a lot about it. Afterwards, the visitor is particularly interested in a vial containing living bacteria. Vial means a tube. Okay, so visitor is completely or particularly interested in that bacteria only. And the scientist described the power of cholera, saying what a terrible epidemic could be caused if a tube such as the one he holds were to be opened into water supply. Here, what scientist did, what bacteriologist did, he revealed all those things related to the bacteria. He tell that to the visitor that if we opened it, if we opened it into water supply, so it will cause a big trouble for everyone. Means lot many peoples will die if we opened it into the water supply. Then what happened? The scientist's wife, here one more character is there in the story, scientist's wife, whose name is Minnie. She calls him, she calls whom? She calls scientist for a moment. when the scientist returned, so when he returned from a wife, the visitor is ready to leave, and as soon as the visitor has gone, the scientists realize the tube of bacteria or the vial of bacteria is missing, that the visitor must have stolen it. So when he came back from his wife, he came to know that there is a vial, there is a tube which is having cholera bacillus that is missing. So then he figured it out that it must be stolen by visitor. Then what happened? He runs out in panic, means he was very much afraid now what will happen, and hails another cab to give chase, and his wife follow in a third cab. Then now what happened? He ran out. Okay, he runs out in panic. Who runs out? Scientist to chasing the for chasing the visitor, and wives also runs out for chasing the scientist at the third. So with her husband shoes and coat and hat, cause he was in hurry, means he has to chase him, and otherwise so big something big will happen. So he has to chase him. So he came out, or he ran out without shoes, without hat, everything. When his wife see all those things, so she also started chasing him with the coat and hat and shoes in her hands. Then what happened? He was an anarchist who plans to release the bacteria into London's water supply. He needs fame, and this act will reveal his power and importance. Then this thing, now scientists tell this thing to her wife that he was an anarchist. Anarchist basically a person who believe the law and government to be unnecessary. They do not follow all those things, and they wishes to destroy existing government and law to show that they are powerful or to show their importance. Okay, so this thing means this scientists tell all this thing that he was an anarchist and he plans to release the bacteria into water supply because he wants fame and importance. So now he is running with the tube. What happened then? In the speeding cab, however, he accidentally breaks the glass vial. What happened? All of a sudden, when he was chasing or when he was running with the glass vial, accidentally it breaks. Then a whole bacteria spill on the floor. So he became a human vector and swallows what is left in the vial. So whatever is left, a few drops, he only swallows all it up. He only drank all the bacteria and stops the cave. Afterwards, after swallows it, he thought that I am going to die and I will spread the bacteria everywhere. Then he stops the cave, realizing that he no longer needs to flee. Now he realized that, or he thought that, what is the need to flee now? I only drank all this. Now at the end there is a twist, or there was a twist in the story. The twist is that the vial did not contain cholera actually, but a strange new microbe the bacteriologist had been studying. The only known effect of it is to make the skin of the animals exposed to it turn into bright blue. So what is the twist of the story? The twist of the story is that the tube which he was having, who? Anarchist. He was running with the tube, or he thought that I'm running with the bacteria and now I'm going to destroy whole city. Now I'm going to devastate the whole country. So later on at the end he found that it is not actually the cholera. It's some kind of microbe who bacteriologists had been studying for long, and the only effect of that microbe is that from this the skin of animals turn into blue. That's it. So this is the chapter about. Now again I'm going to give you another short summary of this chapter so that you will be able to understand it very much clearly. Fine. So here, one morning, the bacteriologist is accepted a visitor with a letter of introduction from the friend. One morning, when bacteriologist was working in his laboratory, he find a visitor, and visitor having a letter of introduction from his friend, from bacteriologist friend. Visitor shows curiosity in a live bacterium of cholera. There, bacteriologist said everything about or tells all the preparations of the bacteria. Here, visitor only shows the curiosity about the bacteria of cholera. The bacteriologist tells him everything and shows different tubes telling what their contents are. What bacteriologist did? He tells everything or shows everything, all the tubes and their contents, everything he tells to bacteriologist. Everything he tells to visitor, sorry. The visitor shows even deeper excitement finding out there is a living bacteria of cholera in the laboratory. Now what visitors want? Visitor only want cholera. Okay, living cholera. So he was finding out for that only. At that moment, all of a sudden what happened? Bacteriologist wife Minnie calls him out for a minute. For a minute when he went to her wife to her wife, and when the bacteriologist returns to the laboratory, the visitor is very eager to leave. Now he wants to go or he wants to leave. He said that I have to leave now in very hurry manner. When the visitor left, the bacteriologist find that the tube has been missed. So when he go back, bacteriologist find that where is my tube? It has been missing. So he immediately runs after him and get into a cab to get the visitor. So what he did now, he runs after him or he get a cab to chase him. Minnie watches her husband running along the street through the visitor. Now a whole scenario is watching by her wife, his wife, Minnie. So Minnie watches her husband running along the street through the window. He saw that her husband is running along without hat, without shoes, without slippers. So she says he is mad, but it's her duty to help. So she takes a hat and hires a cab to run after her husband. Now again the same scene happen. Anarchist is running, bacteriologist is chasing the anarchist, and Minnie chasing the bacteriologist. On the streets of London, a real chase is formed. People amuse themselves watching it and commenting. Now they all three are running very harshly, so people started amusing themselves by watching them that they all three are walking or running in this manner. The visitor sitting in the cab is dreaming of how he'll poison the river and kill most of the people. Now he was sitting in the cab, visitor was sitting in the cab, and he's dreaming that now he is going to kill all the people or he is going to poison the river. He wants to become famous and think it is the best way to make people talk about him. Why he is doing so? Because he wants to become famous, or the only thing is that if he'll do this, so everybody will talk about him and he will become famous. But the tube breaks and its content is poured on him. But suddenly what happened? The tube, which is the vial which is containing the bacteria, it breaks all of a sudden and all content poured on him only. He tell the cabman to stop and get off the cab. Now what he did? He tell the cabman to stop it or he get off. At the very moment the bacteriologist catches up, or very soon when he came out, or when he step out from the cab, bacteriologist also reached there. The visitor calmly walk along the street with the thought to get the first well and wash his hands so the poison would get into the water. Now visitor calmly walk along the street. He walk along the street and get to the first well. He went to a well and wash his hands in that well. So he thought that now the water will become poison. But he does not know that the bacteriologist at the first sight he had guessed that the visitor was an anarchist and ran after him only to make himself sure. Now what happened? He was not knowing this that the first sight had guessed that the visitor was an anarchist. Bacteriologists come to know in the very first sight that he is not a visitor, he is an anarchist, and he came to him to only make him sure that this is not a bacteria. And in the tube there was no bacterium of cholera but a bacterium which provokes blue stains in monkey. So he tells he told that thing to anarchist that this is not a bacteria, it is just a kind of bacteria which gives a blue stains, means a blue kind of patches on animals. So this is the chapter all about. I hope you all understood. Read the chapter very carefully and try to understand it. Thank you so much.